How to check deleted messages in WhatsApp. The first thing you can do is check the archived chat folder. For that, launch open WhatsApp. On the chat screen, look for archived folder at the top. Tap it and check whether your deleted chat is inside. If it's there, unarchive it and your messages will return to the main chat list. Next thing you want to do is export the chat to recover deleted messages. For that, on WhatsApp, go to Settings, then tap Chats. Now select Export Chat, choose whether to include media or not, save the exported file to your Files app, open the Files app, locate the exported zip file and tap Uncompress. Open the extracted chat file to view the full conversation. Next thing you can do is restore from a previous backup. For that, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Chats, then Chat Backup. Check the last backup time. Now, you want to long press the WhatsApp icon and delete the app. After that, you simply want to reinstall it from Play Store. Then open WhatsApp and log in with your phone number. When prompted, tap Restore Your Backup. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.